Why, hello friends. Welcome back to another episode of Automobuilds. Alright, so I got the battery in. I didn't have a good way to videotape it, and who wants to see me screw down a... Actually, that might have been kind of interesting because I had some stupid problems. The stupid battery, the ground terminal, yeah, it's all corroded and gross, and then it's cracked on the bottom. So I had to go to the store and buy a new one of those. Now we gotta clean this crap up. Here's the new ground. It's gonna be a lot better. Got all this stuff out and ready to go. We just gotta open the garage, get her done. So I might time lapse that, I might not, we'll see. Alright, so let's see what we got here. I think that's the right size. I got these earlier, so better be. This is old school, I need a socket. I'm just too lazy to walk over and grab them. What are we doing? What are we doing, guys? This is gonna take a year. That's alright. I'll just release a video once a year after we're done. We're done turning nuts and bolts. Alright, here we go. Home stretch. Get rid of this ugly thing. Huh? I got it open. I'm recording a video. I was screwing down the negative. Oh, I should have recorded that. Something really dumb happened. I don't even know if I should tell on myself. I was screwing down the battery terminal, and I had some of my neighbors, like these young fellas. You might see them in some of the videos in the background talking or whatever. It just depends what footage we use. But anyway, they were outside chilling, and I tried tightening the battery terminal, the new negative lead that I purchased. Tried tightening it like 4 or 5 times, and I couldn't figure out what the hell, like, why is it not staying on the battery? And then I realized I left this stupid plastic cap on the terminal, and I'm tightening the metal down to a plastic cap that keeps slipping off of the... It was so dumb. So anyway, once I figured that out, got the battery installed. So she starts. I should start it. We should start it. It's so loud though, it's just not right. What time is it? What time is it? It is 7:40. 7:40 p.m. Kind of a dick move to start this. I'll just turn it on with the garage shut. I hope I don't die of gasoline fumes. I know it takes way longer than that, but man, this thing smells bad. All right, here we go. Just quick. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, now that's America. Little bit of America right there. Okay. That's all we're doing. That's all we're doing. So, now, boys and girls. Those are fireworks. Hey, Happy New Year. And all that. I'd rather work on cars. I'm not gonna blow stuff up. The only stuff I'm blowing up is inside that little dinky V8 there. Okay, so we need to get under here. I don't know why it feels right when you talk like a redneck. When you're working on an American car, you talk like a goddamn American. All right. That was American. That was more like a British boy. Okay. Let's see. We got stuff here in the way. That's all right. That is fine. I'm just gonna move this while I move. Sorry. Sorry, not sorry. Oh God, it's bright. That's so bright. That's like a sunshiny on a Sunday afternoon or something. hillbilly. All right, now we've got to torque some stuff. We got to torque these bolts down. I'm trying to put these. So we're putting those bolts on, the 4 that are missing. Well, right there. Once those bolts are on, that's a solid aluminum bushing. The other one is over there. That one's got what, 6 bolts on the transmission side? Anyway, we gotta fit that sucker up after I torque down the 3 bolts there and the 3 bolts there. So that's what we're gonna do right now. Oops. Oopsie. Except for I left the torque spans. Oh, I left them over here in this box. I think. They're on a piece of paper somewhere. Gosh dang it. I don't know where I put it. I don't remember where I put it. It's probably inside. We'll be back. All right. We got her figured out. Listen here. This one over here has got to be 60. 60 foot-pounds. So 657. Let's do. We'll do 58 just in case. All right. Let's see. Make sure you guys can see what we're doing here. Oops. Okay. So we're working on this thing. I don't even know how tight these are on this thing. Well, might need to put the emergency brake on. Okay, those are actually pretty tight. They are pretty tight. All right, I'm gonna go hit the e-brake so the tires don't spin. I can torque this down easier. That's what we're doing. This is considered an emergency, right? Emergency enough for me. Okay. Maybe if we do it on the other side. This will be easier. Easier because I'm right. Oh, this one's not even really tight. This is gonna take forever. So let's pop this bad boy off. And this sucker. And this sucker. That's better. Oh, crap. Of course I can't get this stupid bolt. It's gotta get on top. I hit the e-brake so I can't really get the stupid thing. There we go. Pretty tight, I think. Okay. So, since we're doing this, let's take that hoo-ha. Move this over here. My hat's coming off. My darn hat's coming off. Okay. Now maybe we can do this here. Oh, stupid thing, why you gotta be in the way? Alright, we're going back to the first original plan. It's not tight. It's only one click a turn. How frustrating. How frustrating. Well, that one's torqued. At least. Let's see if this one. It's actually kind of tight. There's probably an easier way to do this. Feel free to suggest in the comments, but by the time I read them, it'll be too late. So whatever. Okay. And since this is a Driveshaft, it's pretty important. The operation of the vehicle. £50. This is too difficult. Well, I don't think the e-brake's holding anymore. That's too bad. I need more leverage. How am I going to do this? Well, not by thinking it on. I'm not going to get there. So, what is going on here?
Why did my e-brake let loose? That's kind of weird, isn't it?
I swear. See, that's not good. Lucky brake broken now. Oh, great. Anyway, Happy New Year, everyone. See you next year, or whatever. Yeah, I'm just thinking about what we're gonna do. We got a bunch of stuff to do to this still. I'm just gonna take a step away, figure out what to do next, and then we'll come back.